Hi, I am Mayur Paliwal.
And I'm Sujata.
So recently we shifted in our new villa, and post construction we were in search for the right person who can do the best interiors for us. And months passed by, and we were not able to finalize on our the right person for the interiors. Some of our friends told about Paliwal Interiors in Sajapura, and there we met Omji. So I think first meeting itself was so productive that we could take the decision that okay, this is the company or this is the person we want to go with. He understood our requirements well, and he had a lot of variety for all the laminations, for for all the interior other work, and there itself he has the factory as well. So we were not in that. We didn't have that problem that someone will make, someone will take our order, someone else will deliver. So that was not the case, or the office is somewhere else, factory is somewhere else. That was not the case. So we were very happy to see that uh,
Found everything at one place.
everything was at one place, and that person was so genuine and humble. And I mean, that's how we are very happy that how our living area looks, how our bedrooms look. So this is a 5 BHK property. Here we have made one recreational room, 3 bedrooms, and one we have left for the office. And we are so happy that what we exactly imagined, we manifested, it has exactly come out that beautifully.
Yeah, I think we were very particular about our designs, that how everything should look. So, beginning from the entrance to our living room, which should be very light in color, the TV units which should be subtle but yet elegant. And I always had this design in my mind for my kitchen. It should be very subtle, and I always wanted something black in my kitchen, and I don't want it fully black, but then he got it. He got that thing, and then he executed it very well. The staircases and everything was done so beautifully, and we also had a very good console built on our first floor, which could change the area, color, and everything. And we have a very good balcony also. Bedroom was also, I think we thought that it should not be very bold and stuff. We always wanted very subtle colors for bedrooms, and then he got delivered similar thing what was in mind. And then other bedroom as well.
Most important thing is we made a lot of end time changes.
End time changes, and he got that delivered.
He, his team he responded well. All were catered well, and what we were thinking now, he would need extra time for that. But thank God that he put some extra people, and day in day out they worked and made things possible, and this beautiful how it looks now. So all the interior work, we just want to thank Paliwal Interiors, Omji and his entire team, and for all the home decor. Thank you, Pali's Decor. And we, we never can thank enough to him, because he has made our lives so easy by being so genuine, and everything was at a very affordable range. Qualities were perfect for whether it was any the mica, the whatever, and number of materials he has used. All the material quality is up to the date, and everything was perfect, done on time. We are so happy.
Yeah, and the first house is always special, and this is
Feeling
really
very
special
emotional.
for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you entirely.